In this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset Nokia TA-1029. Before we start this process, I will ask from you guys to hit on the subscribe button so when I upload new video, you can get notification automatically. And let's start the process right now. You can see wrong password. So now off your phone. When you subscribe, you are helping the hustler at the same time. So honestly, I need you guys to support me so I can get all the tools, so I can bring you nice video with the better quality. So make sure you guys help the hustler so he can reach his dream. Off your phone. After off your phone, you need to plug a charger. Just normal charger like this. Need to plug normal charger like this. Something like just a normal charger. After plug the charger, now connect your charger. Plug your charger like this. Plug and hold on the down volume. The down here. Not power, the down volume here. The down. Okay. Down volume here. Down charger, and connect the charger. At least press and hold on the down volume and connect the charger. Hold on it. Till you see the charging logo. When you see the charging logo like this, you must hold on it till you see the charging logo. When you see the charging logo like this, now press up volume here, up volume, and the power at the same time. Power and up volume at the same time like this. Still connect your charger. Make sure your charger still plugged. So now let's start. Up volume, power, and hold on them like this. Press and hold on them. Just press and hold on them like this. Now leave them. After leave them, you will see this screen. You can disconnect your charger now. Use the down to move. The down here to move. And select factory reset. Factory reset, and press the power and select yes, and press the power again. Now press the power to reboot your phone, and don't forget to subscribe right now.